Hello Leo, Sun, Moon Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Leo, paunang mensahe ninyo po, energy of the leg, stepping into a new experience. So there is definitely a new beginning rito, no? Meron kayong sisimulang bagong chapter sa buhay ninyo. You are entering a new phase. You are experiencing something new rito, no? That could be anything. That could be a new job, new career, new business venture, no? Maaaring bagong pakikipagkaibigan yan, bagong partnership, depende sa inyong sitwasyon, but definitely this is a fresh start para sa'yo. We have pineapple, reconciliation, magandang merong reconciliation, merong pagbabate, merong pagkakaayos dito ng kung sino man ang meron kayong kagalit or meron kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan with another person. So there could be an important conversation happening between you and that person siguro around this time, and you will end up in a reconciliation. We have ring, a marriage will take place, either romantic or business. Ayan. So, maaaring ito, yung new experience na papasukin ninyo, maaaring ang iba sa inyo dito ay ikakasal talaga. Kung hindi man, na romantic marriage yan, that could be marriage in business, partnership in business. So, siguro meron sosyohan dito na magaganap. We have tortoise is slowly but surely getting ahead. Yan. So maganda somehow yung the strategy ninyo sa ngayon. Kasi maaaring nakikita ninyo na hindi kailangan magmadali, hindi kailangang mag-rush, di ba? Mas maiging mabagal, kahit mabagal, pero at least sure ka na you are moving forward, di ba? Kisa naman mabilisan ang galawan, tapos in the middle, kailangan mong bumalik, dahil may kailangan kang tignan muli, may kailangan kang i-reconsider, may pagkakamali, something like that. Kasi kapag nagmamadali tayo, di ba, minsan it can cause complications, sa ginagawa natin. Kaya ngayon, parang ang peg ninyo is kahit mabagal, pero sigurado ka, 'di ba? Sa bawat galaw na gagawin mo, sa bawat step na gagawin mo, Yung siguro you are moving cautiously, kumbaga. So which is really good. What else? We have been. Wow. So merong bagong trabaho or bagong career ang iba sa inyo rito. So definitely that is the new experience then, Tulad na na-mention ko kanina, baka nga may bagong trabaho talaga or bagong karera na papasukin dito si Leo. So, congrats. We have, family wishes come true. Napakaswerte kasi kung ito ay wish ng inyong pamilya, Hindi lang pati ito isang wish, Wishes. So, may mga wishes ang inyong pamilya at yan ay matutupad, Ayan ay matutupad. Or baka wish ninyo yan, para sa inyong pamilya at yan ay matutupad. We have crib, birth, or conception of a child or enterprise. Ayan. So, most likely, for new beginnings ito, na nasa energies ninyo, mga paunang cards. So, maaaring meron bagong enterprise, bagong project kayong gagawin at this time, or baka manganganak ang iba sa inyo or buntes, Kung hindi man ganun ang inyong sitwasyon, baka yung person ninyo, yung buntes or manganganak, or maaaring kamag-anak ninyo, 'di ba? So maaaring someone na kapamilya or kadugo ninyo. What else? We have bag. Wow, something important such as new job, or raise, or probably a new role sa trabaho. This could be promotion as well, Leo, na paparating sa inyo. So, congratulations talaga. We have psychic ability, trust your intuition. Ayan, kasi sa lahat ng ito, maraming new beginnings dito na mangyayari sa buhay niyo. And, divinely guided kayo, So, trust your intuition because there are divine guidance na pinapadala sa inyo ang universe through intuitive messages. Yung mga psychic abilities ninyo are on point sa ngayon. Your intuition is heightened. Kaya take advantage of that, Leo. Makinig kayo sa gabay ng universe para sa'yo. No? You're being shown the way. You are blessed. We have hand, yan, in need of help, assistance, and guidance. So, this could be you na nangangailangan ngayon ng tulong, nangangailangan ng assistance and guidance. Most likely, related yan dito sa new beginning ninyo sa bagong trabaho or career. Kasi syempre, pag bago kayo sa trabaho, bago kayo sa karera ninyo, so syempre, mangangapa pa kayo, no? First few days, first few weeks, you may need help there, no? Kailangan mo siguro na mag-training, kailangan mo ng assistance ng mga senior ninyo, no, sa trabaho, kailangan mo ng gabay. What else? We have dagger. There's fear, worries, tense situations. Ayan. So, this could be related to work, no? Baka yung worries ninyo, yung takot ninyo, baka related yan dito sa bagong trabaho ninyo o bagong karera. Kasi, syempre, ayaw mong magkamali ka, ayaw mo na hindi ka at your best, 'di ba? So maaring 'yon, nag-overthink or nag-overanalyze siguro kayo, Leo. Kaya nga, 'di ba? Trust your intuition kasi laging gagabayan ka ng iyong intuition, no? So mag-focus ka lang sa inyong ginagawa. Sundin mo ang gabay sa iyo ng universe through your intuitive messages, at pasasaan ba't magiging maayos rin ang lahat, okay? We have butterfly, a change for the better. So, maraming transition, daming pagbabago sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon, Leo. But this is really beautiful kasi this is a change for the better. So, this is positive change happening sa buhay ninyo. Lahat ng mga ito, mga pagbabagong ito na may experience ninyo, that is for your best interest. We have first, pay attention to your finances. Okay? Pay attention to your finances kasi maaaring hindi kayo maingat, no, sa paggastos, maaaring hindi kayo nagmo-monitor ng inyong kaperahan, maaaring hindi kayo nagbo-budget, maaaring gano'n. So, pwede rin walang disiplina kayo pagdating sa pera. Kaya, this is an important reminder para sa'yo. Pay attention to your finances kasi siyempre, mahalaga yon, pinagtrabahuan mo yan, pinaghirapan mo yan. So, alagaan mo. Okay? What else? We have scales. Keep your life in balance. Okay? Maimportante talaga na nasa balance tayo, nasa sentro tayo lagi. Kasi, importanteng lahat ng parte ng buhay natin, lahat ng areas, nabibigyan natin ng panahon. Nabibigyan natin ng karampatang atensyon. Kasi, we need balance, no? We need balance. Hindi pwedeng puro lang tayo trabaho, hindi pwedeng puro lang tayo love life, puro socialization, 'di ba? We need to put time, no, or give time to every area of life para balanse ang lahat. Lalong-lalo na kahit marami tayong ginagawa, dapat yung well-being natin, yung health natin, yun pa rin dapat ang first priority natin. Kasi importante, no, na lagi tayong on top of our health. Kasi kapag magandang pakiramdam natin, we are in good shape, kahit ano pwede natin gawin. Kahit marami tayong kailangan gawin, kayang-kaya nating ma-accomplish yan, no, when we are on top of our health. So, what else? We have finger warning you of a problem either now or in the near future. Kaya importanteng makikinig kayo sa inyong intuition para nang sa gayon you will be guided accordingly. Kasi if there is something off-key with a person or with a situation na kinabibilangan ninyo, your intuition will always send you a signal, no, na iwasan mo yan, wag kang pumunta dyan, yung gano'n, meron kang mararamdaman, no? Listen to the wisdom of your body, no? Kasi minsan nagiging uneasy tayo, minsan kinakabahan tayo, 'di ba? Meron ka bang excited, meron ka bang takot? 'Di ba? May gano'n. Kaya, i-anuhin ninyo 'yan, pakiramdaman ninyo ang inyong sarili. Kasi that is a sign, that is a message from the divine. That is a message from your intuition. Okay? So, good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.